Hello everyone, welcome to Talk a Topic. I am Harihar. Here we are going to discuss about why USA helping to India during this pandemic. The US government through its aid agency, that is USAID, announced financial help to India. This amount declared in two times. Before it was announced $2.9 million on 6th April, and now on 30th April it announced more $3 million support. It is help to India for fight with this coronavirus pandemic. This additional funding to support India in its continuing effort to combat COVID-19 is yet another example of strong and enduring partnership between the United States and India. USAID means US Agency for International Development is one of the leading aid agencies in globally. It is providing funds to the Partnership for Affordable Healthcare Access and Longevity. Longevity means PAHAL project, an innovative financing platform. This assistance will help India to slowing the spread of COVID-19 and provide care for the affected, to spread essential public health messages to communities, and strengthen case finding and surveillance. To date, USAID has provided $5.9 million to assist India in responding to the COVID-19 outbreak. This new initiative builds upon the foundation of more than $1.4 billion in health assistance out of the more than $2.8 billion in US assistance for India over the last 20 years. Besides India, US extending support to other countries in South Asia. In Afghanistan, it is extending approximately $5 million in health and humanitarian assistance to support detection and treatment of COVID-19 for internally displaced persons, means IDPs. The USA also given $10 million in existing sources to support of the United States Emergency Response Plan for COVID-19. This support will include surveillance, lab improvements, case management, infection prevention and control, community engagement, and technical assistance to government of Afghanistan. In Bangladesh, the offer of $3.4 million will help with case management and surveillance activities. In Myanmar, approximately $3.8 million in health and humanitarian funding from the USA will go towards water and sanitation supplies, COVID-19 case management, event-based surveillance, coordination, and more.